Welcome! In today's video, we're going to go through a quick and easy guide on how to copy a message on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to save important info or share a funny message with a friend, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, locate and open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already, log into your account and navigate to the server or direct message where the message you want to copy is located. Once you're in the right chat, scroll to find the message you want to copy. This step is simple, but it's crucial to ensure you're selecting the correct text. Now, here's the important part. Tap and hold the message. Doing this will prompt a menu to appear, making it clear that you have options when it comes to that specific message. In the menu that pops up, look for the option that says Copy Text. Just tap on it, and the text will be copied to your clipboard. Finally, you'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to confirm your action. Tap Yes to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully copied a message on Discord. Now, you can paste it wherever you like, whether that's in another chat, a note-taking app, or anywhere else. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using your favorite apps. Happy chatting on Discord.